Before you throw away your next banana peel, coffee grounds, or cardboard box, stop, because some of the best things for your garden might already be in your kitchen trash. Today, I'll show you 5 everyday scraps that can save money, reduce waste, and help grow healthier plants without spending extra on fertilizers or supplies. And number 4 might be the easiest composting method you've ever seen. Many people think gardening requires expensive fertilizers, seed trays, pest sprays, and compost systems. But homesteading has always been about something different. Using what you already have. That's how families survived for generations. Less waste, more resourcefulness, and smarter living. So whether you have a backyard garden, a few pots, or a full homestead, these simple ideas can stretch your budget and build healthier soil at the same time. Let's start with something millions of people throw away every morning. Coffee grounds. Yes, coffee grounds. Used coffee grounds contain nitrogen and organic matter, making them useful in the garden when used correctly. One of the best uses is adding small amounts to your compost pile. Nitrogen-rich materials help balance dry ingredients like leaves, straw, and cardboard that can help compost break down faster. They can also be used around acid-loving plants like blueberries, azaleas, or hydrangeas. But here's the key: don't overdo it. Too much coffee can compact together or throw off balance in the soil. Think of it as an ingredient, not the whole meal. A thin sprinkle mixed into mulch or compost works far better than dumping piles in one spot. And if you keep worms, many worm bins love small amounts too. Here is a quick tip. 1 kitchen habit, 1 free garden boost. Now, let's move to something sweeter. Banana peels. Most people toss them instantly, but plants see treasure. Banana peels are known for containing potassium, which is important for flowering, fruiting, and overall plant health. That's why gardeners love using them around tomatoes, peppers, roses, and flowering plants. One easy method is banana tea. Just chop the peel, place it in a jar or bucket of water, and let it soak for a day or 2. Then use that water around your plants. Another method is even simpler. Cut the peels into small pieces and bury them near the root zone where they can break down slowly. As they decompose, nutrients return to the soil. No fancy bottle, no expensive label, just food waste turned into garden value. Quick question. What's one thing you already reuse in your garden? Drop it in the comments. Your idea might help someone else. Now let's talk about something most people never think about. Onion and garlic skins. Did you think of that too? Those dry outer skins may not look useful, but they can still serve a purpose. One popular use is making a simple homemade garden spray. Take the skins, simmer them in water, let the mixture cool, then strain it. Spray lightly on plant leaves. Now for one of the easiest compost methods of all, no bin, no turning piles, no special setup. It's called trench composting. Here's how it works. Dig a shallow trench in an empty space between rows or where you plan to plant later. Add your vegetable scraps, things like carrot tops, lettuce leaves, fruit peels, old greens, and trimmings. Then cover everything with soil. That's it. Underground, microbes, and soil life go to work breaking it down. Over time, that buried waste becomes food for the soil. It's tidy, simple, and ideal for people who don't want a visible compost pile. A few things to avoid. Don't bury meat, dairy, greasy foods, or anything that attracts pests. Stick to plant-based scraps for best results. Sometimes the easiest systems are the ones people overlook. And finally, something almost every home has somewhere. It's no other than cardboard and paper rolls. These can save money in more ways than one. First, seed starters. Take a paper roll, stand it upright, fill it with soil, and plant your seed inside. When it's time to transplant, place the whole thing in the ground. The cardboard breaks down naturally. Second, weed barriers. Lay plain cardboard around garden beds or pathways, then cover it with mulch. This blocks sunlight, suppresses weeds, and helps retain moisture in the soil. It's one of the cheapest ways to improve a garden path or start a new bed. Just avoid glossy or heavily coated cardboard. Simple materials, real results. What if the answer isn't buying more? What if it's using more of what you already have? Coffee grounds, banana peels, onion skins, vegetable scraps, cardboard. 5 things many people throw away that can still serve your garden. That's the heart of homestead living. It's so much more than just a place. It's more like less waste, more value, and smarter living. Which one surprised you most? Tell me in the comments. And if you'd like more practical ways to save money and grow better food, subscribe and I'll see you in the next one.